Spindles,
ladies and gentlemen, this is how we put something hard to. I mean, this is how we put on new spindles.
Woo! Got our replacements.
Absolutely wonderful.
They're
Factory bolt on.
Very nice. Yeah.
Tie rods, everything. Just amazing. Wonderful product.
And look how well conditioned they are.
I mean,
I'm going to turn the camera around. What have they won, Scooter?
Today, ladies and gentlemen, for your eyes only, we have these beautiful spindles going on a 1967 Cadillac.
66.
67.
6. Spindle same 1 to 8.
Tomato, tomato.
Exactly. Same shit, different smell.
Absolutely wonderful, wonderful.
Very well done. Very nicely reconditioned. Yeah.
Polished, set, ready to go.
Far better than the Hot Mess Express we have going on here.
Yeah.
And we have to also get these spacers off of our old ones to put them on there for the bearing.
Are you sure, Johnny?
I'm sure that's right. Because those come in the kit. For when you put the...
Yeah.
Yeah, that baby pops right off there.
Spectaculous. I mean, yeah, we'll get that.
All right. Perfection. All right, here's our pair from CJ Auto Parts. Back in New Jersey. CJ Classic Cadillac. Did us a solid. Got us a pair. And they take and they clean them, crack check them, polish them, paint them, clear coat them, make them absolutely perfect. And we got them pretty quick, and they did a hell of a job. Big, big shout out to CJ Auto Parts. More findings?
Yes. Disassembling the aftermarket caliper setup for the original factory spindles. You said the wheel was kind of wobbling.
Doing the weebles wobble.
And the brakes are, which we can feel the lips
Yep.
and the grooves in them.
Worn, tapered. And those only have, look at those pads.
They're not very old.
They have less than 2,000 miles on them, but look how much wears on them. It's ridiculous. Spacer.
Too big.
Too much spacer.
So, one here, another one of these is there, so bingo. Which, this isn't straight. So the bottom half is actually cocked out a little bit, which is in turn, if you look, is it this one or this one? This one, you can see the lip. So as the caliper was going down the road, it was actually going down the road like this.
Because the caliper, too.
Because our caliper was kind of pinched on the right a little bit and kind of being drawn in because it's too far out at the bottom and not enough at the top. So you were getting there's your wobble in and out.
There's your wobble.
And this way, and it's the wrong size spacers.
So we need to either
shave these down a little bit
these or put something up here.
Figure out where this setup came from.
Yeah, it's CPP.
Okay, so let's get a hold of CPP and figure out if these are the right ones, because I don't think they are.
Yeah, they might be too
because
big.
This is supposed to be a factory
style kit.
Correct. So it should just be bolt on and be done. And it's not. Because if you look at that, I mean, I'm not doing anything more. Look straight at that piece. It's not straight.
No, you can see the bottom is kicked out.
Yeah, exactly. And that's with nothing in it.
Yeah, it's kicked out.
So the metal itself may have been bent. But we also have this
once
washer
we pull
here.
that, we can put it on the floor and see how funky it is.
So it's yeah.
Well,
so
there's some interesting findings.
Lovely.
Fun. More fun. Yay!
And for those of you playing the home game, bingo.
Yahtzee.
Yahtzee, bingo, same thing. This is the upper ball joint boot.
All right.
It is completely, utterly fried, broken away from the ball joint. I just handed you the rubber, the metal ring.
Right here.
That holds everything together is gone.
Great. Lovely. Fun.
And we are
fighting out the now separated ball joint.
Yep.
Well, that's going to be fun to get a replacement for. Great.
Ooh.
That's lovely.
But the spacer's still there.
Oh, that's good. Wow, that thing is fucked.
Oh my God. Look at how much room there is.
That's not good.
That's like... That gives a new meaning to the word danger zone.
I'm glad that's an upper, because if that was
Yeah.
a lower, this would have came apart.
Yep.
And been not good.
Okay, so...
Nope. Give it a little bang bang. Gentle tap. Well, our spindle's moving. Push up on the control arm. Push up on the control arm.
I don't have a lot of strength.
Yeah,
I just don't. Here, let's...
Fight that some bitch. So, not nice. Whoa. Nice and proper.
And if you look at the camber setup, this thing's been spinning in there for quite a while.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't... This car was actually quite dangerous.
I don't know how it didn't...
Yeah, it should have snapped.
either snapped or...
Being honest, it should have snapped.
Magically changing alignment.
Yeah.
I don't want... Like, the tires look good.
Yeah, the tire... Well, I don't know how much... They didn't drive it long, did they? From what I know of?
No, they're fairly new.
Okay. So then, yeah, I mean... So upper ball joint... New spindle, because this can actually... We can rest this here so we'll know where it's at. Not an issue.
Spindle's on and done.
Yeah. So we need to do upper ball joint.
And then...
We've got bearings coming for the rotors, and we can pretty much start slapping this baby back together and make her look pretty again.
Yep.
Sit her back down on all 4 tires.
So I guess this side is on hold.
Yeah.
Take apart the other side, see how bad that is.
Okay, let me start transferring everything over to the other side.
Oh my god. So, second verse, same as the first, right?
Yep.
But you're not Henry VIII I am. There you go. Oh! Almost. Almost with the ding further done. There you go.
That shot.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if we can even emery cloth it.
We could, because the joint itself
Doesn't look... Well, no, it's blown out
It's blown
here,
out.
but yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, safety-wise,
Let's get uppers.
my personal opinion, let's just get some uppers in it and make it as safe as possible.
Yeah. Be done deal.
But look at the inside, though.
Yeah, look at how chewed
That's fried.
Oh my god. Well, I'm glad we found one spindle issue, and it led to a secondary issue.
Yep. I mean, everything else looks fairly good.
Yeah.
I mean, nothing I would go, oh my god, hey, we got to do this type deal.
The grease is a little chunky there.
Oh, that's normal.
Yeah. It's nothing major. But yeah, I'm glad we got these. 'Cause
Yeah, definitely, without a doubt.
Lifesaver.
Because, I mean, that could very well have been...
A big problem.
Yes, correct.
Big dangerous problem.
And
We got our chingaderas off.
that's what fell.
Oh, our chingas came off. That's good. Finally.
I wonder if we can do that on the other, maybe? Beat on the spindle and make it fall
Make it pop off. Yeah, because the other one's stuck.
Yeah, the other one's on there.
Because I'm sure it was spinning with the...
Oh,
bearing.
there's no doubt. There's no doubt that was spinning.
Yeah. Because there was a lot
Now,
of... Hey, look. A lot of crappy work.
yep.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. You can put your nail in it.
Oh my god, yeah. So
Wow.
this thing's gonna drive like a new damn car.
Yeah. Barry, you're going to be happy, man. All right. Yeah, let's get the other one off, and then I guess we'll tidy up, and it's time for a bevy, and then we go home.
Well, I'll start grabbing tools and get us ready to go that way.
Yeah.